Does your garage door groan, squeak, or jerk every time you open or close it? The problem might be worn rollers, which are crucial for smooth movement along the tracks. In the Primbee area, don't let a noisy door disrupt your day. Call 0409-774-111 now to have your garage door inspected and repaired by our qualified professionals. We'll ensure your garage door operates smoothly and quietly. Don't wait for the problem to worsen. Contact us today and bring back the silence and efficiency to your garage door operation.